Hi, I'm Alan Ross, Managing Editor of APC Media. We are here at the 2026 IEEE PES T&D Show.
Good afternoon. My name is Will Cooley. I'm the Field Services and Engineer Product Sales Manager for SDMyers. Many of you might know SDMyers from our oil sampling and laboratory services group, where we sample oil from power transformers. We test them in our laboratory, and we do analytical analysis of those results and recommend reparative services to promote the health and longevity of transformers. One thing we were trying to focus on at this year's IEEE conference is a more proactive and preventative approach to maintaining and promoting the health of our customers' valuable assets. The device behind me is called an Insulex. It is an oil purification system that attaches to a substation-class transformer. We pull a small side stream of the oil out of the main tank of the transformer. It runs through our purification process, which removes moisture, acid, and other oxidation byproducts to purify and promote the health of the oil, which in turn enhances the health and longevity of the paper insulation in the transformer. For a long time at SDMyers, we've had a saying that the life of the paper is the life of the transformer. And so the way we protect the paper is by promoting the health of the oil, and the Insulex is a way to do that from an early installation and to extend the life of a power transformer.